have an opportunity, it's a golden opportunity you can say. We have an opportunity for you people, jobs in Germany. Now what is Germany, where it is located? So Germany is a Schengen country. Now what do you mean by this Schengen? Germany undercome Europe. You heard about Europe? Anyone? Europe, correct? Germany you heard. So Germany is a Schengen country. If you plan for this country, what is the important thing you get is, first thing is, this is a zone of 26 country. Union is 28 country and zone is 26 country. If you, so people, everyone have a dream to go Switzerland, correct? One or other day you see Switzerland. So Switzerland also neighboring country of Germany. So there are 26 country zone: Switzerland, Denmark, Spain, Italy, Netherlands, Holland, Belgium, France, so many countries, this 26 country. So we are here to grab the opportunity to give you a chance or opportunity to work as a nurse in Germany. Now what are the requirements? What are the benefits you can receive if you want to choose your career to work as a staff nurse in Germany? And today we have a live example. We bring Sasikala, she is already working. Also after this session we can talk to, you can also ask your queries if you have some queries and if you want to work in Germany. So we will start like what is the requirement, what benefits you can have, where you can stand for your career. The most important thing is money. If you are financially strong, whether you go home and ask your parents, if you are financially strong, अगर पॉकेट अपना भरा हुआ है तो चार फ्रेंड भी साथ में ही रहेगा, एंड पॉकेट एम्प्टी है तो अच्छा दोस्त भी यू टर्न मारेगा one or other day. So finance is very important, dear student. Registered nurse in Germany. So Germany is a ruling country in European country, so most developed country. Now what is the requirement? Who can apply for this? So if you are BSc student, post BSc student, MSc student, even though if you are fresher also, now we have opportunity, even we are giving opportunity to fresher graduates also. So that is the first requirement. The second important thing, because if you are thinking of Germany, they speak their own country language called German. In Karnataka we speak Kannada, in Tamil Nadu we speak Tamil. So in India we have a different languages, but usually commonly we speak English or Hindi something. So same thing in Germany, they speak German. So you must know German language. This is the barrier, or this is where you need effort, a little effort. If I say, if you give 25% of your BSc degree, what you are doing and putting effort for your exams, okay, if that 25% you utilize to learn this German language, I can guarantee you, you can definitely make it. And we have example here, sitting here, Sasikala. She is a staff nurse, BSc staff nurse, pediatric working experience nurse, and working in Germany. So German language is important, and learning this German language, you need 8 to 10 months around the level which we require. So every foreign language, European language, whether it is German, whether it is French, whether it is Spanish, Italian, they have a standard of language. So levels, they categorize this level in ABCD, A1, A2, B1, B2. So as a nurse, you require till B2 level of German. A1 level is a beginner level where you study alphabet, ABCD, basic introduction, days, numbers, those things. So A1 is a beginner level, A2 is an intermediate level, then B1 is an upper intermediate level, and B2 is an excellent level. Excellent level means we speak, we read, we write excellently like a native speaker. How we speak Kannada, how we speak Hindi, how we speak English, like this. So any language, there are 4 modules to understand any language. Which are the 4 things? How we read, how we write, how we listen, and how we speak. If you are a good listener, then only you can become a good speaker. If you are not good listener, you will never become in your life a good speaker. So these four things important in this German part. So one, you must be graduate, whether you are GNM also, BSc also, post BSc also, MSc also, and if you are fresher, recent graduate also, we are ready to give you opportunity. Second thing where you have to put the effort is learning the German language, which will take about 8 to 10 months. So suppose you are fresher, joining job in Bangalore, your native places, do job and start learning language side by side. That is the first step. Once you are done with at least two levels, two exams you need to write. One is B1 and one is B2. So when you pass this third level B1, we going to arrange your interview with the direct with the employer, with the hospital, those are sitting in Germany. We will arrange your interview through Zoom meeting, through Google Meet, whichever the sources online available. We will arrange the interview and how to speak in interview, how to give interview to an employer. Also we will train you what you need to speak, how you can introduce yourself, what are the things you should consider when you speak to employer, because those are international employer, not Indian employer. So you must take care of those things. So that we do. Once your employer is confirmed, once your job is confirmed, so you will receive a pre-confirmation job letter from the hospital and we will give you that. Once your job is confirmed, you also happy, your family also happy, and keep learning B2 level also. So when your job is confirmed, the second important thing is called degree recognition. You have BSc degree or post BSc degree, so this is not valid in Germany. For validation, we need to apply your degree or post BSc degree, all academics, what you have studied in these 4 years. First year, which are the subject, practical, theoretical hours. Second year, third year, fourth year. So they, German State Nursing Council, equalize your document. They check your curriculum, what you have studied in India, and they give a recognition letter. Your degree is what extent equivalent to German graduate nurse. So we apply that degree equalization. Without that, you cannot apply for your job visa to Germany. So that's come from state government council, nursing council in Germany. So that come from that. So which takes about 4 to 6 months, sometimes 7 months, sometimes 3 months, depend on government work. So once you receive that degree recognition, your degree is evaluated by the state council in Germany. When you receive it, then your job is already confirmed with B1. You have your degree recognition in your hand and you keep learning your B2 also. So in that time when receive the degree recognition and again interview, again employer will speak to you how your German language skills. And if employer find your language, you are speaking really good German, then employer also can say, okay, you come with B1, no problem, do here B2. In Germany also you can do B2, no problem. So those costs also bear by the hospital or us. You don't need to worry for that. So B1 you can go. So B1 learning in India takes about 5 to 6 months. 7 months maximum we can keep. If B2 you are learning, this thing 10 to 12 months, 8 months depend. So like this you can apply for job. So every step you don't have to worry or penny a single day. We are stand by you. We are there besides standing you and supporting you, doing your all work from scratch to end. So you don't have to think what will happen, where we'll go, what we'll do, who will come, where will accommodation. We have live example here. So that will happen. Okay. Now this is the requirement. Now second important point, which is most important, what are the benefits? So everyone sitting here, student or teachers, everyone, only one question in, if you want to do something, one question will come in your mind. Mera benefit kya hai? What is my benefit? anything if I want to do, I will think if suppose if someone elder or you won't tell in front of them, but in your mind you will think, what is my benefit? Then we are going to talk here. I am explaining now what benefits you receive in Germany working as a staff nurse. So first is the salary. Salary is important, correct? Everyone? Salary is important? No voice. Salary is important? Salary is important. Pocket भरा है तो मजा आता है. You enjoy, no, when your bank is full. So now we'll talk about first important thing is salary. So as a nurse, two things are there. So when you are international nurse for them, so when you are international nurse, you are going there straight away. You're not going to start and working. You going to learn first their rules, regulation, medical terms. So you will be working as a trainee nurse until you get the license. I will tell you what is the license process. So you will be working as a trainee nurse. When you are a trainee nurse also, you receive salary 2,400 to 2,800 euro per month. Now in Indian currency, if I say 1,80,000 to 2,30,000 or 40,000, you will receive per month salary when you are working as a trainee nurse. Then what is how you become? Once you become a registered nurse there, because there also nursing council is there, and that state nursing council you must have a registration. So when we apply for your degree equalization, so that state whether your degree is fully equalized to nurse, German nurse graduate or not. So in that you may get deficit. Deficit means your practical, theoreticals fully not equivalent to German academic curriculum. So maybe you can get 6 months of training, 8 months of training and fulfill that training, then write the nurse license exam. So nurse license exam as like your practicals. You do practicals final year, correct? How you do? Viva also there? Examiner also come? Like this practical, how you communicate with the patient, how you communicate with the doctor, what are the treatments given by the doctor, how you follow them. So those things will be practical. So within a year, once you are in Germany, I hope within a year you can become a registered nurse in Germany. So once you become a registered nurse, your salary going to be increased. So that time you can receive 2,800 euro to 3,600 euro in between. That means 2,50,000 to 3,20,000 in between you can receive. That is become a register. So this is the initial salary. Now those are thinking of coming to Bangalore working. So there your working hours here in India, maybe sometime your working hours is 10 hours or 12 hours. Correct? Sometime in same salary they can stretch you for 14 hours also. But in Germany it is not like, dear my student. 40 hours is the fixed hour, 38 to 40 hours a week you work. 2 days completely off. If you want to work, you want to earn more money, you want to do your extra income, also you can do. So these salary 40 hours a week means per day 8 hours. 8 multiply 5, 40 hours a week. This is the 40 hours week salary. Presently today I am standing here and I am talking one of my nurse. She recently also came to India for visit. She is in hand, she is getting every month 3,000 euro now. After all taxes and everything, 3,000 euro means in pocket she are getting 2,70,000 rupees. And she is quite happy. She took her own house also in Germany. So many things are there. So this is very important. So this is the salary in Germany you receive. Second important thing is you receive also medical insurance. Any medical emergency. We don't know what disease is going to come to any of us or any of our family. Nowadays so many cancer cases you can see. So in Germany medical insurance is very good option there, where whether you have any chronic disease, any emergency, any accidental, if you are in hospital for 1 month, 2 months, the complete expenses bear by the government. That is very important, the benefits you receive in Germany. The third important thing, suppose you are BSc graduate, suppose you are post BSc graduate and you are planning to do masters. As you someone said, you will do masters. So if you planning to do masters in Germany, you can do free of cost, no tuition fee. Because once you become registered nurse in Germany, you start working as a nurse, you are earning person also, and also you can apply in German public university where is no tuition fee. You don't have to stretch your parents, you don't have to give another burden to doing masters to your parents. You can save your money, you can save your parents money. That is third important point. The fourth important point is annually you get 28 days around paid leave. So every year, suppose you want to visit your country, like Sasikala came for 28 days visit in India on vacation. So 28 days you can get paid leave also accordingly. So every year you can, if you want to visit your parents, every year you come 1 month leave and go to your work.